Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys how I did this really quick, easy, inexpensive hairstyle using one of my older wigs. So I'm going to be adding my wig to behind my hairline and then doing a half up, half down. I'm looking really crazy right now. I was trying to explain to you what I'm doing, but I had my blow dryer, my hooded dryer on in the background, so this clip was just too loud for me to use, but I did want to show you how my hair looks. This is all the leave out that I will be leaving, just so it looks a little more natural. And this is the wig that I'm using. So I'm using a closure wig. You can use a full lace wig, but I like to use closure wigs when I put them behind my hairline. It's just easier and less of a hassle. But if you don't have a closure unit, you can definitely still use your full lace unit, and it's going to be the same process. So I have my hair braided straight to the back and my leave out in the front, freshly washed. The leave out that I had was actually a quick weave, and I shampooed my hair, took the quick weave out, kept the braids, kept the leave out, and now we're doing a whole new style. So there's so many styles you can do with just a good quick braid down. So I just want to share that with you guys. This is how I get like so many styles out of just like one base. But anyways, starting off, of course you're going to part off your leave out, put the wig on. So I'm taking my leave out, putting my wig on, making sure that everything is, flat, seamless, or whatever. And this is why I like to use closure units instead of full lace wigs. This portion here is just way easier versus lace. You would be just laying lace down. It's kind of sliding back versus when you have a closure. Typically it has like combs. This wig does have a comb right here. I do put the combs in. You don't have to, because sometimes combs do hurt, but it's just easier. I hope that it's like understandable on why it's easier, but it just is. So once I have the wig on, I make sure that it's flat in the back like it was, and then I am ready to start my ponytail. Now, if you wanted to just wear your hair like this and do curly, you definitely could. It would literally give like a flip over type of vibe. This is how I do my hair all the time. I have a lot of wigs at home, and I save so much money with just reusing wigs with whatever style that I want to do. So that's pretty much what I just want to show you guys. It's a very, very simple, easy style. But right here, let me show you. Before I blend my leave out with the wig, you want to make a ponytail with the wig first, and then just brush your leave out into that. That way you have a super flat ponytail. You don't have any humps, lumps, bumps with the wig. You want to make sure that your wig is secure first before you start to blend your hair down. Now, I don't know where the clip went. It should have been in there before this, but I sewed this wig onto my braids. So I sewed the top portion. So I sewed across the lace. I also sewed a little bit on the cap. You don't have to sew from ear to ear. You don't need that because it is a closure unit. So it's already kind of like a glueless unit. Is kind of already there on your head. It's not going anywhere, so you don't have to, but I like to sew my lace just so when it comes to styling, my lace isn't sliding. Now the wig shouldn't come off, but it could slide, and I just don't like for my wig to slide whatsoever. So this is what I do: sew it down, and then I'll blend my hair into it. So I'm doing a lot to make my hair blend because I wanted it to look a little professional. I wanted it to look like I got a fresh quick weave, So I used Eco Styler gel all over my hair. My hair is natural in the front. All over my hair first after I wet it. Blow dried that down. Let that get hard. Then I used my black beeswax. It's something about the black beeswax for me that I just love. It just gives you such a fresh and crisp look. I love it. So I always use black beeswax whenever I'm doing a sleek look. And that's what I'm just doing. So now I'm just taking my, and I did blow dry the beeswax down as well. And then you'll just use some type of hairspray to lock everything in. Blow dry again, make sure it's dry and that the hair is not going anywhere. But now I am pulling my edges out. You want to make sure not to get all of that product on the edges that you want left out, so you're not like breaking your edges off or anything like that. I'm going to do a really quick style on my edges, and then you can see my ponytail is looking crazy because I have not yet added my leave out into the ponytail. I have only brushed it up. So once I finish my edges, I will be adding my leave out into the ponytail completely, and you'll be able to see the finished look. And it's kind of obvious, but I blow dry everything after every product just to make sure that I don't have to keep on trying to brush my ponytail. Like when it comes time for me to do this right here, put the hair into a ponytail, it should be very, very easy to do because my hair is not moving. It's stuck in position. I shouldn't have to brush it every single night. I'm just gonna wrap my hair up with a scarf, and I'm not wrapping my hair, actually I'm just putting a scarf over my hair at the top, and then I braided the wig down. So, and again, we already have the base ponytail in the wig already, so this is just to put my leave out with the wig. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think I have any more tips on how to do this. You could definitely do this style up, down, whichever way. And it is a wig too, so it has lace space for you to do different type of styles. So you can definitely get creative with this. I just wanted a curly half up, half down for the summer. Now this is the next day. I braided this hair at night with just water and I think it was water and a little bit of mousse. And then I would just spray a little water to loosen it up and take my braids down. But this is how it looks. Amazing. Super flat. No leave out, honestly. And I'm ready to go. I love this hairstyle. I love reusing my wigs. So easy. It's like a little cheat code to new styles. So if you are not doing this, definitely try it out. I love doing this, and it makes it so easy to do a new style because you're going to be using the same base and braid down. But that's it. I feel like I'm rambling. This is how the style looks. I am in love. I hope you guys like it too. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more beauty tutorials, hair inspiration, and sometimes wellness. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.